we will prepare formula for item. Before going that, this is formula. Copy this formula. Now go to and paste that formula here. Now all are same here. This is search invoice, that means invoice number cell. Now go to match. Only two are change, two will be changed in this formula. One is invoice cell and another one is match, that is go to select this and cut. Now go to invoice data. Now select header in this. Okay, now press. Before going that, now go to starting. Now go to start and press enter shift at a time. Now press enter button. See here friends, Samsung Z2 mobile. Now go to, now copy this formula. Now paste in, now paste here, but now go to match, change header, go to invoice data, MRP. Now go to start of formula. Now press Ctrl and shift at a time, press enter button. Now once again paste here. Now go to match, change header name, go to invoice data, enter, select quantity, header. Now go to start of formula, press Ctrl shift at a time and press enter button. Now go to percentage, paste formula. Now go to match, now go to invoice data, discount percentage, select discount percentage header. Now go to start of formula, press Ctrl shift at a time and press enter button. Okay, now go to, we prepare amount cell, prepare formula. MRP, enter start to multiply, and now select quantity cell, enter amount, press enter button. And also enter if error formula. Close this. Now go to amount, we will prepare amount formula. We use if error function. Now prepare for discount amount formula. Select MRP and enter star to multiply, and select quantity, enter star to multiply and enter, and select discount percentage cell. Now enter percentage symbol. Now enter comma, double apostrophe, enter. Now enter close bracket. Now press enter button. Says here when discount amount is 1640. Now total amount, we will prepare formula for this. We use if error. Total amount means after discount amount minus discount amount, enter comma, enter double apostrophe, close bracket. Okay friends, now go to select all these cells and paste formulas and another cells. Okay, now go to invoice subtotal. We use sum function. Now enter tax rate. So copy this formula, go to invoice entry, tax percentage in third column, invoice entry first, second, third, fourth column. Now paste the formula and change column index 4, so percentage will be displayed here. So sales tax, we will prepare formula for sales tax. Now enter invoice subtotal and enter star to multiply and select percentage cell. Now enter percentage symbol. Now press enter button. Okay, now total amount after sales tax. Now invoice subtotal plus sales tax amount, press enter button. Now go to advance column in invoice entry, fifth column. So copy this formula and paste in advance. And change column index number 5, fifth and sixth in balance. Copy this formula and paste in and change column index number 6, received amount, enter, select this received Now return, prepare for return formula. Now here observe carefully, return means received amount plus advance amount minus total amount plus balance amount. Now press enter button. Okay, we have saved means we use sum function. This means total discount amount enter close bracket, enter here. See here friends, just return amount. So this is payable amount, enter equal. Now go to total amount, total invoice, that means payable amount less discount amount. Now here discount amount, okay friends. Now go to total income. We can know total income, day wise income, month wise income, year wise income also. Now for this we prepare formula for, we use sum function. Now go to invoice entry, select invoice total cells. Now press enter button. Now day wise income formula, we use sum if function. Now go to range, go to invoice entry, that means date, select this. Now enter comma and sum range, when you enter here date, criteria range, enter here criteria. See here day wise income and month wise income. We create formula for this month wise income. We use sum if function. Sum if yes function, sum range. Now go to invoice entry, sum range, select invoice total. Now enter comma sum range. Now criteria 1. Now go to criteria 1. Now go to invoice bill, criteria 1, criteria 1 month. Now go to criteria range 1, Okay, now go to invoice entry, criteria range 1. Okay, now go to criteria 1, so month. Now enter criteria range 2, go to invoice entry, year. Now go to invoice bill, criteria range 2, now enter, close bracket, enter, press enter button. When you enter here month and year, see here amount is calculated. Now go to year wise income. For this we use sum if function. Now range, go to invoice entry, enter comma. Now go to criteria, invoice bill, enter comma, criteria range, criteria, now sum range. Now go to invoice entry, now select invoice total, now press enter, enter button. Now enter here year 2017, change this. Okay friends, we have successfully calculated these in total income of your shop and day wise income of your shop, month wise income of shop, year wise income of shop. So when you change this date and this month and year, then automatically calculated according to their values. Okay, now change symbol, currency symbol. Okay friends, now go to one is remaining. Now go to here, first we go to currency in words. We use VLOOKUP function for this. Now go to invoice entry, go to enter, lookup value. Before going that, go to lookup value. After that, look table array. Now go to column index 2 and 0 for exact match. Okay, now press enter. Invoice bill. Now go to VLOOKUP. Enter VLOOKUP. lookup value comma table array. Now go to invoice entry. Now select all this table. Now enter comma. Now enter column index 2. Now enter 0 to exact match. See. Okay, rupees only. Now copy this formula and now go to here and paste here. Okay, now go to enter here amount. Now go to invoice bill, enter amount only H39 cell. See here, now go to here, enter invoice bill only D40, press here. Now go to amount, we use concatenate formula text 1. Now go to gamma text 2, enter close button. Now enter, press. Before doing that, enter here inwards press. Okay, now remove this. Okay, enter. Once again change this formula, text 1, comma text 2. Okay, now go to next, text 1, comma text 2. See here friends, this is amount in words, 48,838 rupees. Okay friends, now all is completed. Okay, when you select invoice 1, when you select invoice 2, there is no invoice data for 2, so we can add, we use tab buttons, we expand this table in all, enter here invoice, select invoice 2 amount. So before going that, change items is only 2, change one from these, Z2 mobile, quantity 5. See here, now go to invoice bill. When you select invoice bill 2, then automatically calculated invoice 2 like this. When you select invoice 1, automatically calculated prepare bill for invoice 1. Okay friends, now see how to print this invoice bill. Now press Ctrl and P, preview this. See here some changes. Now Ctrl P, preview this. See here friends, this is the bill for invoice 1, and to give, print out this bill and give to Rahul, the customer Rahul. Okay friends, this way we can create software for invoice billing software in Microsoft Excel. Now you go to any table. Now expand this table automatically when we use tab button. So now enter invoice 3, enter invoice 3 and select Gautam and change date. Tax rate 2% advance. So this way we can expand these tables. Here also same, expand, enter here currency name which you want. You can add rows automatically when you use tab key. Enter customer name here, address, phone number, email, website. Okay friends, this way we can add rows and enter details in tables. After that we select invoice number and then prepare automatically bill prepared for this invoice, then print out this bill and to give the customer. And when you enter these details, when you automatically calculated total income and day wise, month wise, year wise income. When you see here one thing, total bill is 37,638 rupees. Then if the customer given us 38,000 rupees, enter here then 630 rupees we will return the customer. Okay friends, this way we can create software for invoice building software in Microsoft Excel. Okay friends, if you like this video, click on like button, share this video your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, and if you have any doubts on this video, or if you want to give advice on this video, post your advisors doubts by comment section in comment section. Finally, don't subscribe to our YouTube channel Venkat BTA to get free video updates like this. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.